Having talked about the beautiful garden tank here and the standard challenge, which is mortality of fish, we come here to see what we can do to prevent, to make that from not happening again. And there's a myriad of factors I can mention to us now. Number one is the filtration system. The filter is just grossly inadequate. So we have to change it to a multi-chamber filtration system where you have sedimentation chamber, you have a sump, sedimentation chamber, nitrification, and then ion exchange to prevent contamination of water. And then we let it go through a carbonized ion exchange chamber, or we use a UV light so that the water will not be drained. That's if they don't have, even with that, we should suggest they have a shade cloth, probably 50% or 30% in a beautiful fashion to prevent, not just to control the amount of algae that will come in when it's dry season, but then take up the dry season, but to actually prevent birds. And I'm sure the birds there will be very intelligent because it's a hybrid area. We were talking of choosy birds who like to eat real foil. They will eat small birds like that we have at our place here in the suburbs. So that's for that. That's number one. Number two is that's what we got us there, by the way. The number two, where it is the outlets are looking too big. This is not Niagara Falls. This is too burdensome for the coil. You can see the first one there. It will come out like a gentle fall. Also, not that this is the wrong urination now. We have one, we got two, and we got the one back overflow of the filter, number three, and then we have another one here. Cameraman, you can number four, number five, and then number six. We're going to use like no-no, or in what way can it be adapted to make the fall gentle. That's number two. Then number three, we're going to readjust. Now these ones are for beauty, and at the same time they do what they call decarbonization, right? Now the third one is the aeration system. Now I'm not in support of this aeration truthfully. Most of what can do to manage what is there. We've got a simple aeration pump by inside, and then we have the ear stone, but I think we can do better than this to make it look a lot better. That's number three. Then number four, we're looking at the rockery on that side. If it can be configured to actually hide the filtration we are bringing in here eventually. Now if the opportunity is there for us, we can go about number five now to actually redo the edges if time permits and the owner would like us to do that. That'd be wonderful. We've got enough rock on the side that can be used to do that, so that the whole thing is recessed to the ground. Or we have a build up of sand a little bit, and then you look at see the water is coming from under, going to the garden, from the garden. So it's like the water is seeping out from under the garden right into this place. So there's no continuum in between. That's number five. Then number six, we have to readjust the pump. The pump for filtration to the high volume, low pressure. High volume, the turnover faster than once, not faster than once every 2 hours, not slower than every 5 hours, so that the fish, the bacteria will not be dislodged or they will not be choked, right? Then after that, the only pump that can do that is a pump that is calculated based on the water volume in the pond to actually deliver at about 3 hours, once every 3 hours, and that'll be ideal for the bacteria that will be in the situation there. And I think with that, a lot of people have been sorted, and the course is really good. Of course, number one, like I forgot to say, which will probably call number 7 there about, will be the compressive water test. To see whether we can use the water in the house. Because I will throw the bulk water for this project. That's multi-purpose. But they have to do it in a hurry because of an event that this was big for. So let's now see how we can, in the permanent level now, go ahead and have a normal water flow in. After we finish filtration, what we only need to do now is to top up evaporated water. So we're taking care of the solid waste, we're taking care of the liquid waste, we're taking care of contaminants, and then we're taking care of the greenness of the water. So what else? Happy fish, happy customer, happy Mr. Fish team. See that for now.